Oh, what's that? Looks like another package. Nothing like coming outside to another video. Oh, catch the Amazon truck. That's what we got going on. I told y'all, another mod. It's a little simple mod for y'all. Bam. So this mod right here is coming to you by Genuine ViaVinyl brand. I've seen these a couple times, on a few cars and stuff. I thought I would, purchase one, put it on the silverback, see how it goes. So yeah, man, let's get started. Pretty much all you're gonna need with this, man, is real simple. Already, pretty simple. Just a little card to pull out the. Yes, mama. Yeah, that's the little one. But yeah, it's pretty simple. A little rag, a little soap and water, just to clean it with. So y'all stay tuned.
Devil in a red dress, call 911, I'm a killer. You know I hate to confess. Bang bang, got my hand on the trigger. The devil in a red dress, call 911, I'm a killer. You know I hate to confess. Bang bang, got my hand, call.
So yeah, I'm back. Like I said, this one right here was pretty simple. Nothing too major. Like I said, I seen it on a couple of cars, man. I thought I might want to try it on the silverback, see what it looked like. Y'all comment down below. If you haven't subscribed to the channel, go ahead and hit that subscribe button, like, and comment. So let's get back into the video. What I did was went on and put them on. It's pretty simple, man. It's pretty much a peel and stick. I went on and did it. Like I say, I'm sitting here trying to do it by myself with, and hold the camera at the same time. Pretty simple. With that being said, there's the top piece. There's the bottom piece. I'll try to show y'all a little. Go ahead and peel this off. See what we got. Like I said, man, y'all comment down below. Let me know what y'all think about it. Should I keep this color or should I go with another color? I went with the yellow. Like I say, I'm trying to pull this yellow out in the car, but y'all tell me what y'all think down below. Do y'all like it? Should I keep it? Like I say, just another little simple mod. I also have another mod on its way. That's what. Oh, look at that, pretty good. No bubbles, maybe one little slight bubble, but other than that, that's pretty simple, man. I know y'all waiting to see what that top piece look like. But yeah, man, like I say, I went with the yellow. Y'all tell me what y'all think about that yellow, man, because I mean, really, I like it. But yeah, so y'all stay tuned. I'm gonna get a razor and cut this piece right here, and then we'll peel that off. So y'all stay tuned. All right, so we are back. Let's go ahead and finish this top piece off. So yeah, you're gonna have to pop your hood with this mod. Pretty much simple. Once you pop it, like I say, just to flip it up under there like that. Like I say, it's real simple. Not too many tools needed for this job. It's a real easy job. On as far as mechanic wise, man, this is too easy. When it came to the racing scraps, it was a little bit more difficult. But yeah, like I say, pretty simple, pretty easy. We'll go ahead and peel this off. Like I said, if y'all see me kind of moving a little slow, y'all gotta forgive me, cause man, let me tell y'all something. Me and this vinyl stuff, bro, it is not that easy, especially dealing with bubbles and stuff like that, man. But yeah, so we'll go ahead and peel this off. Like I said, man, y'all comment down below, tell me what y'all think of the finished product and stuff like that. I do have a photo shoot for the car tomorrow, so if y'all haven't subscribed to the channel, make sure y'all subscribe to the channel. If you haven't subscribed to my Instagram, that's where you'll see the actual pictures first on the vehicle. So y'all make sure y'all follow me over there on that web page, over on my Instagram. I'll have that link down below to those that haven't subscribe to that channel also. But yeah, man, I want y'all to tell me what y'all think, man. Like I said, I seen it on a couple cars, man. I kind of liked it. You know, your color is your color, whatever color you choose. So let's see what we got. All right, so there we have it. Silverback got his first scar. So yeah, so y'all tell me what y'all think, man. The first cut on it. Oh man, I mean, I kind of like it, man. Especially, you know, I'm gonna throw the yellow lights on with it. But yeah, man, y'all tell me what y'all think, man. Do y'all like that build or that mod? Like I said, it was a little simple mod. I will have the link down below where I got this mod, how much I paid for it, of course, you know. It was very reasonable, man. Like I say, there's many different other mods on these, well, places where you can get these vinyls. The price I paid for this, if y'all think that price that I paid for this one was high, let me know. If y'all think it was a good price, let me know down below. Make sure y'all comment on that also. But yeah, like I say, man, it's a pretty simple mod. I've seen them on a lot of the challenges and charges and stuff like that, man. I will be heading to a car show this Saturday. I'll have a video up for that car show. It's gonna be kind of late, but like I say, I'll have that video up probably that Sunday or that Monday. Most likely it'll be uploaded that Monday to give me time to edit it and everything, get settled and everything. But yeah, man, so also, if y'all know where I can go to get these emblems right here done in yellow, let me know. Comment down below, let me know where I can get them done in yellow, or where I can ship them off and get them done at. I want to get those done in yellow also. Also with these, I do have the remainings on their way. They sent me one but didn't send the other one, so as soon as that get done, I'll have those put on and give y'all the video of that one, also of the finished product of it. I know the car kind of dirty right now, but yeah. So this, like I said, this mod right here was pretty short, pretty simple, nothing major, you know, nothing that's gonna break your pocket. It's just a little quick, easy, simple mod. But yeah, man, that's the finished product. So like I said, if you haven't subscribed to that channel, go ahead and subscribe, hit that like. We on the road to 500. Like I say, let's go ahead and get that done. Tell your friends, family members, go ahead and subscribe to the channel if they into cars, stuff like that. I do have another channel I'm working on also, which with the boat and stuff like that. I wish I had the video for yesterday on that one. Man, y'all would have had a good laugh on that one. But other than that, man, y'all stay tuned to the next video. Peace. And like I said, if you haven't subscribed to my Instagram page, man, y'all go ahead and subscribe to that one. There's a link down below. Make sure y'all subscribe to that one, because that one will actually have the photo shoot I'm doing Thursday, well, tomorrow on it. I'm gonna try to get it washed up and head over there and get it done. There was a couple good places for it. You know, there was a couple good places I wanted to get the car pictured with and stuff like that. But yeah, man, so in the meantime, y'all stay tuned for that tomorrow. That's a little special project I'm gonna do for, you know, for y'all, you know, a little photo shoot with it. Cause like I say, I do have something coming up bigger, better, stronger in 3 months. So like I say, it's gonna be good news and it's gonna be bad news. So like I say, you gotta stay tuned. I know I ain't uploading in a while, but y'all be patient with me. Stay with me and tell me what y'all think about this mod. Like I said, it was a little simple mod. And if you haven't subscribed, subscribe. Peace.